Vehicle, 2015 Mazda CX-5, comes with original registered smart key. Here we use mini key tool to do generation. Put Xhorse smart remote watch near to sensor area of mini key tool. Turn on Xhorse app and start remote generation. Find the key type by searching vehicle. Here is Mazda. Scroll down and find the model, CX-5, check if ID and frequency all correct, then push, generate. Writing data into Xhorse Smart Remote Watch, it might take around 1 minute to finish this procedure. Generation is successfully done, and you will get the bonus point after that. Then we use K518ISE to program the watch to model CX-5. Connect K518ISE programmer and the car with OBD2 cable. Turn on K518ISE machine. Push engine start button. Click IMMO program, menu and vehicle list comes out. Choose Mazda. Choose area model CX-5 year, before 2016 Smart Key program. Click Add Key Programming and download the data. Turn ignition on communicating part, no communicating. It shows that already have 3 registered keys. Click Confirm. Please put the new smart key close to engine start button. Programming. For a car, please hit the brakes. For MT type, please step on the car clutch. It shows that already have 4 registered keys, that means smartwatch is successfully programmed. Please turn ignition off. All programmed smart keys must follow the instructions. Hit the brakes, touch engine start button with keys for 3 seconds, and then turn ignition off. Programming finished. Now let us check if Smart Remote Watch working well. Take original key outside. Press engine start button and it works. Door open/close.